Welcome back to the Diecast channel. Today we're gonna look at the Hot Wheels Race Day Premium Set. Got the Porsche, Aston Martin, Ford Capri, the Mercedes, and the Audi R8. So we'll just go in order. Check these out. Alright. Number one, we got the Porsche with the KW suspension livery. Porsche 935. Let's crack it open. Go. KW suspension livery, BBS. Alright, let's check out number two. We have the Aston Martin Vantage GTE. Alright, let's crack it open. Front, check out the bottom. Aston Martin Vantage. The back. Alright, let's check out number two of the set. We have the Ford Capri GR5. Let's crack it open. Front. The cage. All right, number. Oh, I did it out of order. That was number 4. So number 3 is the Audi R8 LMS. Some card art. All right, let's crack it open. Slide it out of here. Audi R8. Engine detail. support. Alright, let's plug it back here with those. Number 5 of the set is the 94 AMG Mercedes C-Class DTM touring car. Here we go, card art. Alright, let's crack this one open. Sweet livery on this one. Check out the base. Alright. So which one would you guys pick? Would be your favorite out of the bunch? Me, I'm really digging the Porsche. I think that would be my pick, the favorite. Next, I really like the Mercedes. Very sweet set. Let me know what your favorite out of the bunch is. Picking up this set. Comment, subscribe. Thank you for watching.